Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will be talking about annotating texts. This is a simple but powerful skill that will help you become an active reader. So, what exactly is annotation? Annotation means adding notes, symbols, and highlights directly to your text to show your understanding, your reactions, and your questions. So, in a way, you are interacting with the text. So think of it as a conversation between you and the author. Now, annotation, it fits beautifully into the SQ3R reading strategy. So when you annotate, you're actively reading, specifically the read stage where you highlight main points and the review stage where your annotations become study notes. Now, what are the annotation symbols? To make annotation easy, we use symbols like the double underline for author's main point, the circle for definitions or meanings, a star for evidence, such as statistics, examples, or arguments. You can put in a question mark for anything that is unclear or something you want to think more about. You can use an exclamation mark for interesting or powerful ideas or things that you agree or disagree with. You can also single underline important terms or keywords. So, using these marks creates a visual map of the text that helps your mind to organize information quickly. Let's look at this verse as an example. O mankind, indeed we have created you from male and female and made you peoples and tribes that you may know one another. Indeed, the most noble of you in the sight of Allah is the most righteous. This is a verse from Surah Al Hujurat. Now, how do we annotate it? Now, while you're annotating, it's important to ask yourself what is the author's main point? What are the important terms that define the topic? What evidence supports the argument or message? So, when you do all of this, you start analyzing and understanding the text. Let's say you've identified the main idea, double underline it. The most noble of you is the most righteous. So, here you know that true value is equal to good character, not wealth or status. Next, underline important terms that you would probably need to find the definition for or that you might feel are relevant to your topic. Now, let's say you want to attach some evidence to this verse, such as actions are judged by intentions, etc. So, you can use an asterisk to mark the section for which you are supporting with evidence. Right? So, the hadith is supporting the Quranic teaching that inner intentions shape true worth. If there is something you want to reflect upon based on the main idea, underline it and add a question mark. Remember, it's not necessary that you will use all the annotation markings in one text. See what is required in terms of annotation. The main purpose is that you should be able to read, think, question, and connect with your text. That is the essence of annotation. So that's going to be it. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.